be afraid of love and what it might do. But goddamn, you got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again, again. So many nights my tears fell harder than rain. Scared I would take my broken heart to the grave. I'd rather die than have to live in a storm like before. But goddamn, you got me in love again. Show me the heavens right here, baby. Touch me so I know I'm not crazy. Never have I ever met somebody like you. Used to be afraid of love and what it might do. But goddamn, you got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again, again. I can't believe I finally found someone. I'll sink my teeth in disbelief, 'cause you're the one that I want. I can't believe I'm not afraid anymore. Goddamn, you got me in love again. I never thought that I would find a way out. I never thought I'd hear my heartbeat so loud. I can't believe there's something left in my chest anymore. But goddamn, you got me in love again. I can't believe I finally found someone. I'll sink my teeth in disbelief, 'cause you're the one that I want. I can't believe there's something left inside my chest anymore. But goddamn, you got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again. You got me in love again and again and again and again and again.
I'm filled with flaws and attitudes, so if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Bob the Builder broke my heart, told me I need fixing, said that I'm just nuts and bolts, a lot of parts were missing. Heart feel like a curse, a virgin and a vixen. That's the kind of girl he wants, but he forgot. This ain't Build-A-Bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are bright or blue, this ain't Build-A-Bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitudes, so if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Boys are always playing dolls, looking for the Barbie. They don't look like Ken at all, hardly have a heartbeat. Need someone who falls apart so he can play Prince Charming. If that's the kind of girl he wants, then he forgot. This ain't Build-A-Bitch. You don't get to